Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be looking at the key things that you need to make your barbell back squat nice and strong. We're going to start at the top and work our way down from there. So looking at the hands, we want to keep them as close as we can to the shoulders. After that, we're going to be looking at the scaps. These scaps, you want them back and down at all times, making the chest big. Start off the squat, we're going to push our knees outwards and forward over the toes. Let's look at a rep. When looking at the squat from the side, it's key that we keep our core contracted at all times, as if we're keeping a hollow hold or an ab crunch on the way down and even back up again. With no core contraction, you'll find that your bum is going to be sticking out, or Instagramming as I refer to it. Although it might look good for the gram, it's going to be no help for your squat. At the base of the squat, we can get a better look at what the knees are doing. We need to get those knees traveling forward and over the toes, but in line. This is what allows us to get nice deep squats. Putting the two together, we can see that the upper body plays a key role in having a strong squat. It needs to be nice and tight to allow the legs to be powerful throughout.